Alright. Take a look. What? Hi. Welcome to Rishi's Fun Learning. Hi. Today I'm going to unbox this Ryan's World Super Surprises. Let's open it. I don't need this anymore. Okay. Here's the key. Mom, I need some help.
What happened, Rishi?
I can't open the key.
Let's see what this. Oh, this is Ryan's World Surprise Safe.
Yes, I will put.
Okay.
Yes. Pull it.
There's the key.
Okay, let's open it.
Now open the safe.
Okay. Let's see if it opens.
Wow. Let's see what's in it.
Oh, I found a box. This is a box. Wow.
This is the another box.
The second one.
And this is the third one.
Yes.
Let's close the door. Now open the.
No, don't. Look what it says.
Okay, open the number 1 box. This is the number 1 box.
It says to
And
put your finger and see what's inside.
okay.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. It broke. Toppings. I wondered what are these for. Okay, let's put it. Now this one. 1, 2, 3. Oh, a small red titan.
I think this is Ryan.
No, this is Red Titan superhero. Look at his cave.
Okay. Next. This one.
Okay. Let's see what's in it. Oh, a hammer. I think what's it for. Okay.
Next.
Last. Okay. What is this? Is these tattoos?
I think there is something.
Yes. This must be a poo powder.
Let's open it.
Okay. I don't think it's safe. A poo powders.
Color powders.
These are not powders only.
Blue, green,
Yellow.
and yellow.
These are not powders. These are poo powders.
Oh.
We have to make poos with these toppings. So that's why So that's why it is getting some toppings. Okay. These are statues maybe. Not statues, maybe tattoos.
Oh, these are tattoos.
Yes.
1,
Another titan.
2,
3,
3,
4,
4,
5,
5,
6. The round sign.
6 numbers of tattoos.
Yes. Now let's open the second one and let's see. Wait. You not just open it, okay? Look what it says here.
Okay, first row, the second box. We want to go open.
Louis, yes. This is the hammer to open it. 1, 2, 3. Like a hammer. Oh, more figure. Yay! Blab. Okay, you try next.
This.
Oh, give more strength. More tattoos. More tattoos.
Yes, more tattoos. Now
Ninja Lion.
One more.
I will open this one, the small one. Okay, let's see what is this. Oh, yeah.
First thing.
These are remote controls and French fries, maybe pizzas.
Let's see what is this?
Wow! Oops!
This is the gloves.
Not a glove. This is a remote control
Oh,
to play.
this is for him.
No, maybe there's combo somewhere
And this is a pizza.
to eat. Look at him, boo boo. Look at him. I'm playing games.
Next,
Like that one. Giant.
oh,
Ryan. Ryan will take the
Ryan.
pizza. Take him. She like Ryan. He takes that. Do it again. Space. Take it.
yes, Ryan is taking the pizza.
To eat.
Next, open this one.
Oh. To open
Wow.
a glass. Ooh, it looks like great. Try it.
I'm looking at everything great.
Maybe it's for the third one. I don't know.
Next, open the number 3 box.
What does it say?
Is the number 3 box.
What does it say? Look. I have to wear this glass and find out what's inside. Wait.
Start.
I don't see anything. This glass is nothing. Wow. Something like this. Wow! A leg. A giant leg. And another leg.
Another hand.
2 legs. I wonder what will we get. Another hand. Maybe. Where's a hand?
Okay.
Maybe a hand.
Let's open this one.
Okay. It's going to be a robot. And I also find a little key. I don't know what it's used for. A jetpack. Wow. It's cool. And robot body. Let's build a robot.
This is a leg.
Yes, of him.
This is another leg.
Let's try it again. I can't fix it. What?
And
Okay. Wait, behind it has two holes. And this leads and jetpack. I can fix it. Whoa, no, the key.
This is a robot.
Let's go. Pew, pew. Pew.
Let's see what we get.
Okay. Ryan.
With pizza on
No.
his hand.
Mo wearing a glove and a remote control.
This is
Red Titan.
this is a
Big
robot.
robot. Okay.
Glass.
Like this.
A key.
Okay. I don't know what this is used for.
A hammer.
Yes. A tool.
Glitters and powder for making food.
Yes. Pooh.
And lion stickers. See now, let's see how many stickers.
Not stickers. These are
Tattoos.
tattoos.
How many tattoos?
Okay.
Let's count.
It says Ninja Mo. Isn't that name funny?
1,
Show them
2,
watching TV.
3,
Ninja Gus.
4,
Run with a skateboard.
5,
Ryan.
6,
Ninja Ryan.
7,
Pirate Ryan.
8,
Ninja Mo. Red
9,
Titan running.
10,
Red Titan.
11
Combo's head.
and 12.
Ryan's son. Yes. It's time to open the secret chamber with this red key.
That's this chamber.
Open it.
Yes, there is a chamber.
Where's the key? We'll find it. Oh, there. Okay.
Let me.
Okay. Just round. Alright. Take a look. What?
Wow.
A gold? What do you say? Quantities! Yay!
Oh.
Right!
Oh.
And we have to open this fast, please. Diamonds and coins. I like diamonds.
This is for me.
Oh, look at these diamonds. 1 diamond, 2 diamonds, 3 diamonds. Yay! And what about the coins? Oh, money. It's money. Some money.
Nice diamonds.
Yes.
1,
2, 3.
purple, blue, and red.
Yes. And let's open the money.
Dollars. 1,
These are dollars. Coming out the money. Yeah.
3.
Come out the money. We're going to get the money.
Where are you going?
Poof. What money? Ryan's world's money.
So many.
Okay. Look at this. I want to buy some confettis. Give me.
So many money.
Please. Wow.
Ooh.
Yeah. Oh.